Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we are going to discuss about the pop-up boxes. Important topic, friends. So many people will come across lot of pop-up boxes popping up while seeing the web pages. Some are wanted or some are unwanted. Mostly unwanted pop-up boxes are popping up by disturbing our attention, right? So there are so many web pages, so many lakhs of web pages is there, in which some pop-up boxes are used unwantedly, deviating users attention and for misleading the user, right? So the purpose of the pop-up boxes is for alerting the user or for confirmation or from prompting, that's it. But some people are using those boxes or navigations. The link is one, but the navigation, the redirection to some other page. So all these tactics will be played by some of the people for their own business. Okay. Anyway, that is an aside topic. So let us discuss about the pop-up boxes by using the JavaScript. So there are three kinds of pop-up boxes are there, friends. That is alert box, confirmation box, and prompt box. Three types. So let us understand the alert box first. Alert box. An alert box is often used if you want to make sure information comes through to the user. When an alert box pop up, the user will have to click OK to proceed. So it's a must. You need to click OK, then only the next you will do the next work. Until unless you press OK, then nothing will happen. So that is the alert. Okay, it will alert, it will pop up, and it will say some text on the little window, and then it's an window object, right? Okay. And then confirm box is a confirm box is often used if you want the user to verify or accept something. So if you want to make the user to accept something, then you can make use of confirm box, friends. When a confirm box pops up, the user will have to click either OK or cancel to proceed. Okay, you can either click OK or cancel. There is an option. Okay, if you cancel it, you doesn't accept to that. If you uh, click OK, then you can accept it, right? If the user clicks OK, the box returns true, and if the user clicks cancel, the box returns false. Okay, like that. And then uh, the example is confirm is information is okay. So if you press OK, then this confirmation will return true, or if you click cancel, then it will return false, and accordingly uh, the return type, based on the return type, it's true. If you click OK, then it will return true. Based on this true, some JavaScript function will be declared for further tasks. And if you click cancel, then it will return false, and based on the false statement, some JavaScript will manipulate the things. Okay. And then prompt box. Prompt box means what? A prompt box is often used if you want the user to input a value before entering a page. Okay. And then when a prompt box pops up, the user will have to click either OK or cancel to proceed after entering an input value. The prompt box is used to take input from the user, friends. Okay. And then if the user clicks OK, the box returns input value. Okay. And if the user clicks cancel, the box returns null. So All these things we will see it practically, friends. Let us switch over to the VS Code now. So right, let me erase this one. No need. Okay, now we have only our JavaScript is there. Now we'll make use of just alert. This alert we you had saw this several times in our last classes. Just simple alert and uh, hello, I am JavaScript. Okay. Now this message will pop ups. If the page reloads, then this message pop ups. Let me reload it. Here you can see hello, I am JavaScript, and you definitely click OK. Then only the page will come here. If you don't click the OK, then it will be like this only. Click it and then the next page will be loaded. So that's why alert is very uh, wherever it is needed, then that at that place only you need to use alert, friends. Okay, and then that is the alert pop-up. Now we will use the you will use the confirm or prompt box. Prompt box means, right, one means prompt box. We will use prompt of like no. Okay, will confirm box will do first. Okay, confirm box. Confirm box, so it is used to take user consent. Okay, click is information or whether you agreed agreed to T and C. Okay, terms and conditions like that. Okay, I am saving. Now you can see the pop-up box will come here also, but two buttons is displayed here, whether you agree to T and C. That means what? If you click OK, then in the behind the screens it will return true, and then JavaScript will be there to process, will take that true, and then it will do its own logic, right? And if you click cancel, then this box will return what? False. So if false, some simple JavaScript function will be uh, there in the back end. Some if else JavaScript if else addition statement will be used. If true, so allow the user to log into the web page, or if else means false. If false, then don't allow user to log in, like that. So if you click OK, it will like that. If you click cancel, so it will won't allow your page. Here we are seeing the sample page, so that's why it is appearing to you. Okay, so this is about confirmation box. Then prompt. Okay, prompt means enter. So prompt box is used to take data from the user. Enter any number. Okay, and then let me take it into a variable x. Okay, and then document dot document dot write x. Okay, now if I save it, here you can see enter any number. That prompt is given to the user. Okay, so the user can enter any number. Say I am entering 20. Now I click OK. If I click OK, then what will happen? That data which I entered, the number 20 will be stored in the X, and then the X is written to the file. Okay, so like that, for that purposes prompt will be used, friends. Three types of boxes basically: the alert box, in which only OK button will be appeared on the pop-up box. In the confirmation box, you have both OK and cancel will be uh, displayed as buttons. And the prompt box, you can see that it will prompt the user to take the input, right? Take the input. The save, OK and cancel both will be there. So if you cancel it, null will be given, right? So if you input any data, that data will be reflected. Okay, that is the concept, friends. And in the next class we will discuss the some more methods of BOM. Till then, bye bye. Yours Vera signing off. Thank you for listening, friends.